In the kitchen, colorful and bright, fresh vegetables, what a sight. Carrot, cabbage, pea and bean, red, white, purple and green. Let's pick the veggies nice and fresh from the market Mom has bought. Wash it clean and peel away. It's time to cook the soup for today. Chop the veggies small and neat. Into the pot they all will meet. Add some water, clear and cool. A pinch of salt is a cooking rule. Stir it gently, watch it steam. Veggies dancing, what a dream. Simmer low, let flavors blend. In a while the soup will be our friend. Veggies in soup are so nice, cooking with love and a bit of spice. In the kitchen the pots are bright. Making soup with Mom is a pure delight.